Reviewing how to divide fractions, this time dividing fractions in whole numbers. We listened to a song, Keep, Change, Flip, or you should have listened to that song on page 10, I believe, so you can go back and listen to that song. But that's kind of our shortcut. So when we see keep, change, flip, what we're looking to do is, if we had the fraction 3/4. What's happening to my pen here again? 3/4 divided by 5/6. I would keep the 3/4. I would change the division symbol from division to multiplication, and I would flip this fraction so that it had its reciprocal, 6/5. Then I can multiply just like normal, or I can simplify if I can. I could simplify 4 and 6 if I wanted. 2 goes into both of those, so 2 goes into 4 2 times. 2 goes into 6 3 times. So 3 times 3 is 9, and 2 times 5 is 10. So 9/10 would be your answer. The most important thing is to keep, change, flip. If you're forgetting how to simplify, not a huge problem right now. The most important thing is that you know it's keep, change, flip. So how does that look when you have whole numbers then? Well, in this first one, remember, if I'm going to keep, change, flip, we have to remember what we know about reciprocals, right? If this is going to let me write it, reciprocals. Nope, it's not going to. Okay, so if I have 1/3, and I say keep 1/3, change the division to multiplication, and then I have to flip this. Well, what is it right now? If I say 1/9, you say 9/1. If I say 9, you'd say, so 9 could be written like this, 9/1. So if I flip that, it now becomes 1/9. No idea why this is being so silly. All right, so now I keep, change, flip, and I multiply straight across because there's no simplifying that I can do. And I get 1 times 1 is 1, and 3 times 9 is 27. With my disappearing ink. All right, let's try number 2. Keep, change, flip. Keep the first number. So I'm going to call it 9/1 because it's a whole number, and I want it to look like a fraction so they behave the same way. So keep, change the symbol, flip 1/6. So 1/6 becomes 6/1. Remember those reciprocals, flipping them all the time. Now I simplify if I can. I can't on this one, so I just multiply straight across. And 9 times 6 is 54. And I can call it 54/1 or 54. They're the same thing. Let's try a couple more. Keep, change, flip. I'm going to keep 11/12. If my iPad will let me keep it. Change division to multiplication. And flip 3. Or right now, 3 is 3/1. So if I flip it, it's going to become 1/3. And simplify if I can. I don't see anywhere that I can simplify because 11 and 3 can't be simplified. And 1 can't, obviously. So 11 times 1 is 11. And 12 times 3 is 36. Let's try one more together. Keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction. Change the sign. Flip. Oh my goodness, it's 1. That's the same as 1/1. So if I flip it, it's still 1/1. And I know anything times 1 is just going to be that number. So 1 times 1, 2 times 1, I end up with 1/2. Go ahead, try the rest on your own, 5 through 16. There are answers here listed. I will not accept just the answer. I need to see this as your work. Keep, change, flip. Write it down, say it in your head, get used to showing it. So show all your work and finish the rest of these problems, please.